friends, welcome to the Vivobook channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS all new Vivobook Go 15 OLED and Vivobook Go 14. So friend, ASUS announced the 15.6-inch Vivobook Go 15 OLED E1504F and 14-inch Vivobook Go 14 E1404F, two exciting and affordable lifestyle laptops that can make users productive or keep them entertained where they go. And these light and compact laptop features superior OLED or IPS displays and powerful ASUS SonicMaster sound system with DTS Audio Processing for immersive entertainment, and the design is stylish and practical with thoughtful touch that make the user's life easier, such as a 180-degree lay flat hinge and front wheel to survive any lifestyle. These tough laptops are US military grade tested for durability using the world's strictest design, and friend, it is equipped with AMD Ryzen 5 7000 series processor, 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512 GB PCIe SSD, and other user-friendly features include an ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, smart configuring via HD webcam with ASUS 3D noise reduction, AI noise cancellation, and physical privacy shield. A useful suite of ASUS apps including MyASUS, GlideX and ScreenXpert 3 for fast and stable connections, and the comprehensive I/O ports include USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, USB 2.0 port, HDMI output, and audio combo jack, and it's easy for user to connect all their exciting peripherals, displays, and projectors. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.